How to redeem McDonald's Monopoly prizes. I'm going to show you in a few simple steps. First, download the McDonald's app and either sign in or create an account. Make sure you've registered for the Monopoly promotion if required. This often means opting in via the app's game section. Once you've done that, purchase one of the eligible menu items that comes with a game piece label or digital game piece. Peel the physical label or check your digital code in the app to reveal whether you've won instantly or earned a property piece to collect. Next, enter the game piece code or scan the label in the app under the Monopoly game section. The app will show whether you've secured an instant win, for example, free food or points, or if the code represents a collectible property piece. If you hit an instant win, you'll get instructions right away in the app. This may mean a reward voucher appears in your account or you receive a code to show at the restaurant. If your piece is part of a collect to win set, keep collecting the matching property pieces until you complete the required set. In the app, you can track your collection progress. Once you've completed the set, you'll be prompted to claim the larger prize by following the app's claim process. This may include submitting your details, accepting terms and conditions, and sometimes mailing in or uploading the physical game pieces if required. When redeeming your prize at the restaurant, open the app's Offers or My Rewards section and locate the prize code. At the counter, kiosk, or drive-thru, you'll need to present that code or show the app screen to the crew before placing your order. Make sure you redeem within the deadline. Some instant food prizes expire sooner than others, so check the valid until date in your prize notification. Finally, keep your physical game piece label safe until you have fully claimed your prize. Even if you won through the app, some big prizes require you to keep or send in the original labels as verification. Also, remember any restrictions. Some prizes limit one claim per person or household, some require additional purchase or registration, and the odds of big non-food prizes are far lower than the free item wins. Once you've followed all steps, you're set. Your free item or bigger prize should be processed according to the promotion's rules. That's all you need to quickly and easily redeem your McDonald's Monopoly prize.